Well, our next guest, let's say, hey, we are so excited. We have got Truliant Federal Credit Union. You know, they've been in Greenville for almost 30 years and kind of began as an expansion last year. Let's introduce them. We've got Neil Garrett, Ashley Haynes, and then Brandon Libran. Thank you so much for joining us. Neil, we're going to start with you just because you're in order. We'll go,
Okay.
we'll go this way. Tell me, which location you manage and how long you've been here.
First of all, thank you for inviting us out today.
Absolutely.
It's a great show. I started with Truliant in 2002. J.P. Stevens Textile Group brought us to the Upstate in 1994 for Truliant Federal Credit Union. I'm from the Upstate, grew up here. Shortly after graduating Clemson University, I started with Truliant in 2002.
Go Tigers.
That's right. In 2002, I quickly learned that it aligned perfectly with what I wanted to do financially in life, to help people in auto loans, home equity loans, mortgage loans, deposit accounts with no strings attached. It was just a great fit for me.
How about you, Ashley?
So my name is Ashley Haynes. I manage the Cherrydale location. My branch was actually the first one that opened after the announcement of the expansion. I am also native of upstate South Carolina. Grew up in Travelers Rest, so where my branch is located, that community is really very near and dear to my heart. We have done several events since we opened last November, partnering with local elementary schools for attendance drives. Yes, a day at the movies. We had Trulific Tuesdays.
Trulific.
Right.
Not Taco Tuesdays.
Not Taco Tuesdays, Trulific Tuesdays, where we invited the community to come get baseball tickets, car washes, had a local food truck on hand. My branch is also heavily involved with the Hispanic community. I have 3 Spanish-speaking teammates that are there to provide straightforward financial solutions. The growth has just been so exciting, and it's just, we are so happy to be here, and we would love to come talk for everyone to come become a member of Truliant.
Probably half your family from TR comes down.
I do. That's exactly right.
Yes.
Just up the road.
Yes, Brandon,
that's exactly
before we get to you, Brandon, Neil, tell me a little bit about the expansion, because that's been a big deal.
The expansion has been great. About 7 years ago, we moved the local branch up to Pelham Road, and we saw great growth in loans, deposits, and memberships that are joining the credit union because of what we give back to the community financially. So with that expansion, that gave us the platform to be where we are today, to expand to 2 more branches in the market, which has been great for us.
What, you getting any work out of Brandon?
A little bit, yes, sir. Yes.
Last but certainly not least, Brandon, tell us about you.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Brandon Libran, branch manager of our Easley branch. So excited to be here. So I actually started with Truliant as an intern all the way back in 2012. Shortly after that, I actually moved to the Upstate, and when I heard about the expansion, I was so excited for an opportunity to come back. And when I think about why someone might want to join Truliant, it's all about people helping people, right? So when you walk into the doors of any of our 3 branches, you're seeing more than just a number. You're a human being with real human needs, and we have a great staff that's there. They're the experts. They're going to consult you with those needs, and then from there, we just want to help people grow through their financial journey. Whether you're ready to buy that first home or upgrade your car, maybe you're ready to start planning for retirement or to put a kid through college. We have the experts that are there to help guide you.
Well, you mentioned the word join. There is a difference from a bank to a credit union. You become members, right?
Correct.
Explain that, because I think sometimes I get lost in people and they're like, I don't understand what exactly it means.
So banks are owned by the shareholders. We have a board of directors, and yes, you do have to become a member with us, which is really easy to do. And we really put everything back into our members. That's why we're here. Like Brandon said, it's about people helping people. And you're not a number to us. You're a human being. And we want to help you no matter what stage of life you're in.
I have a feeling it's like I'm texting like, Ashley, I got a quick question about you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like it's that kind of
Absolutely.
vibe.
We do have that,
Well,
yes.
Point out the advantages of a credit union over a bank. I know the services are pretty much the same, right, as far as the public
absolutely
asking for services.
Thank you for the question. So, when it comes to the differences, mainly we are not for profit, right? So we don't operate to create a profit. However, we do make a profit, and that goes back to our members in the form of lower loan rates, higher deposit rates, and we've been able to cut out a lot of the fees that you might incur elsewhere. So again, you know, whatever money our members pour into the credit union goes back out to members that need it.
Well, you keep a little bit to pay Duke Power.
Yeah, we
Yes,
got
sir.
to pay the bills.
Gotta pay the- some bills.
There are some little things. Well, we are excited. This is your first North Carolina appearance, hopefully not
Yes.
the last. We're excited to meet you and
Thank
get to learn about everything you're doing. If someone's, you know, at home now and they're like, I really like them, I like their style, and then one of the things, what's the best way for them to start making that relationship?
Please reach out and visit any of our centers. Mine is on Pelham Road, Ashley's in Cherrydale, and Brandon is in Easley. Feel free to walk into the doors. You'll be greeted, and we can answer any financial question you need us to answer.
Just be ready. They're going to come in and be
Yes.
like, I'm looking for the one that was on your Carolina. Yes, our viewers are great and very loyal.
.org means not for profit. I see your website.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Thanks